In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your projects using Canva. Whether you're creating a video presentation, a fun slideshow, or anything in between, music and sound can take your creation to the next level. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, we'll start by opening Canva. Once you're logged in, you'll want to prepare your project. Whether you're starting a new one or working on an existing masterpiece, make sure your design is open on your screen and ready for that perfect soundtrack. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your workspace and you'll see a menu with various options. You're going to want to click on the Elements option. This is a treasure trove of resources, including graphics, photos, and of course, audio. As you scroll down through the Elements section, keep an eye out for the audio category. Music and sound nods will appear, and this is where the magic begins. Once you spot the audio section, you'll notice a little option prompting you to see all. Go ahead and click that, because here's where you can explore and find the audio track that perfectly matches your project's vibe. You found it. Great. Now you need to select your desired audio. Simply drag the audio to your video timeline. It's as easy as pulling and dropping the track right where it needs to go. This will attach the audio to your video. If you wish to add multiple audio tracks, perhaps some background music and a voiceover, it's just as simple. All you have to do is drag the second piece of audio down and place it under the first track on your timeline. Repeat this process if you have more sound pieces to add, ensuring they're each layered correctly to play as intended. Now, let me show you how to split or cut your audio in case you need only a portion of a track or want to make precise cuts. Click on the audio you've added. Move your cursor to the desired point where you'd like to make the cut. Then, using the right-click function on your mouse, select Split Audio. This action cuts the audio exactly at your chosen point. What about the rest of the audio that you don't need? Just right-click on it and delete the unwanted parts. It's like trimming the excess off a photo, but in this case, it's audio. And don't forget, you can adjust the timing of your audio quite easily too. Simply drag the audio within the timeline at the bottom, moving it forward or backward to match your visuals perfectly. With these steps, you're all set to enhance your Canva project with the perfect audio touch. I hope this guide was helpful, and now your projects will sound as good as they look.